Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening us and providing us the opportunity to attend this FDP. I extend my sincere gratitude to all the dignitaries for gracing this occasion. I thank each one of you for your presence and support in making this inaugural ceremony meaningful and memorable. I kindly request all the participants to stay connected and benefit from the expertise of our resource person. Now, we shall move on to the first technical session of the program. Now, it is my privilege to introduce you all our distinguished resource person for this session, Dr. G. Kishore Kumar Garu. Dr. G. Kishore Kumar Garu is a distinguished academician, researcher, and technologist with 18 years of combined experience in research and IT industry. Sir holds a PhD in computer science and engineering and is currently registered for postdoctoral research, presently serving as Head of Research and Development at Newzen Infotech, Hyderabad. He specializes in cloud computing, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Sir has authored 45 research papers, 4 books, and 3 patents, and has conducted and organized several international and national conferences, FDPs, and workshops. A recipient of prestigious awards, including the Young Researcher Award in the year 2023, Dr. Kishore Kumar Garu actively contributes as a PhD guide, keynote speaker, and editorial member board of multiple international journals. Now, I humbly request Sir to continue the session. Thank you all for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Yes, good evening, ma'am. Thanks to the Vaageswari College of Engineering and Technology, Vaageswari College of Engineering Management for giving an opportunity to tweak the first session on quantum computing. And it's an essentials of cyber security based upon the quantum computing. And then thanks to the department actually, sir, Chandramouli sir, for giving an opportunity to asking for an session. So now I will share a screen related to our topic. Yes, this is our topic because it's a quantum cryptography for future of cyberspace. So first, our FDP theme is purely related to the quantum cryptography and then cybersecurity. So first, most of the people know about the very well about the cryptography techniques. I think so. So first, what is the purpose of cryptography? Why we are using the cryptography in our technical patterns? So first, the basic theme line of a cryptography is for the securing the information from converting of a code format into the binary code or else user specific code. So it will be converting of a plain text into the ciphertext or ciphertext into plain text with using the encryption and decryption technique. What is called a cryptography. So in a cryptography technique, most of the cases we are using only the 3 types of cryptography. So that is a symmetric cryptography, asymmetric cryptography, and hash function cryptography. So in symmetric cryptography, there is a same key for an encryption and then decryption. That is based on the DES algorithm, I think so, AES algorithm, attribute-based encryption, and then data encryption standard algorithms. These are the symmetric key encryptions. So coming to the asymmetric key encryption cryptography techniques, whenever you want to use a public and private keys are used. So it's nothing but the public key is common to all the people, and the private key is used for a particular people. That is an asymmetric. So that is a RSA algorithm is an asymmetric key cryptography technique, and then hash function technique. So only it's a hash function can be communicated only with a one-way cryptography. So it will be generating with a one-way communication. It will be enhancing with a one-way cryptography. So that is a concept of cryptography. So next, what is the quantum cryptography? Means whenever you want to use within a quantum techniques. So that is a quantum related queries. So when we want to use within a quantum mechanism or quantum mechanics, so it using upon a photons related information sets. So why we are using the quantum cryptography in future of cyber security means. So first, nowadays, most of the cases, all the people are facing the problem related to the only the common thing is security is the major common thing for all the people, right? So whenever all the people are focusing onto the security issue, so the most of the cases it is in a principles related to the security point of view, that is in a cyber security. So it's nothing but only the major role of in a cyber security is providing the secure communication between the one to one or one to many or many to many of the users. So that is the main theme line of a cyber security. So why we are assigning the quantum cryptography to advanced of a cyber security means, so we are using the quantum based security. So what is the main quantum basic sets means? So we are using of a protocols and we are using of an enhancing the key exchange patterns and we are enhancing with using of a quantum photon values for the transmission. So just like in the nowadays moderator, we are all of the people are know about the optical fiber, right? Optical fiber is the purpose of transmitting of a data with a speed in the very high. So like that same quantum cryptography also we are using of using optical fiber techniques and then fiber mechanisms and individually protecting the quantum network data sets. Right. So this is our today's agenda. First, what is the use of cyber security and what are the threats, challenges, and the classical approaches? So next, quantum cryptography fundamentals and quantum key distribution centers is nothing but QKD, and next post-quantum challenges and implementation of a program for implementing the quantum. So first, what does the cyber security mean? So check it here once. So cyber security is not in a protecting of a data, it's an preserving the functionality and trust in the system. So what is the functionality and what is the trust means? Functionality means whenever we want to access up in a one page to another page or one information set to another information set, it will be directly accessed within a functional data set. But it will be work within a one functionality to another functionality. Take a simple example. When we are logged in within a one web page or else your Gmail page, so it will be showing up in a list of operations at the left side, right? So compose mail, inbox, spam, dropped, whatever it may be, the important labels, it will be showing up in a functionality slide. So whenever you want to click it on a compose, it will be go to the directly composing of a mail. And next, what is the trust in the system means? Every Gmail account or every account with using of an encrypted tag or encrypted algorithm to share the information set. So that is the trust in the system. It's based upon the security firewall with using upon a Google or Yahoo, whatever it may be, the mail protocol. Right. Suppose you are using of an external data set. Whenever you want to use an external data set, it will be directly using with an external data set that must be using of an MX records like an external mails means that is an official mail. For example, with your college mail ID, with your organization mail ID, with your company mail ID, like that, it will be preserving of an MX records. It's nothing but mailing records. The mailing records can be trusted to the encrypted standard. So the encrypted standard can be created with the functionality of a hosting provider. So who is the hosting provider for your website? So they will provide the functionality of an encryption standard, right? So the cyber security challenges most of the days we are facing up in these. So data breaches is an 4.35 millions according to the IBM's information set up to 2022. It's nothing but 4.35 million data. So it's nothing but data leakage, breaching of an information means data number of people losing their data using a failure of cyber security mechanism. So without cyber security mechanism, they are facing a problem. And next 10.5 trillion users annual cybercrime cost. So this is an projected with up to 2025 information. This is an 23 trillions in only the 2025. So actually it's an 2050 only the 3 trillions information. After the COVID period is after 2020, annual cybercrime ratio will be automatically enhanced to up to the 20 to 30% per quarter. Quarterly information, it's at 20 to 30%. Now the present annual cybercrime cost is 10.5 trillion. And next, whenever a data can be hacked or mismatched or data breaches, so it's an average time to find out and resolve the problem. It's at 287 days. And next, ransomware increases means it's a ransomware is under 24,000%. It's nothing but number of malwares will be injected into the most of the users, right? So this is the major challenges for the cyber security. So in this for the purpose of most of the cases, what are the landscapes for the cyber security made? So that is an malwares and ransomware. So malwares is nothing but it's an purely based upon the unauthorized access, like in a few websites, or whenever you are clicking on a website, automatically it will be redirecting into the one more website, or else it will be encrypted tags, or it will be showing up and demanding of payments and then decryption keys. So like that, those are the malwares and ransomwares. So and next, insider threats. So insider threats is based upon that whenever one organization information will be stolen by the inside person, that is an insider threat. So inside of the information set, whenever it will be lost means whenever the company's complete information accessed it and multiple persons or multiple information sets, then only the insider threat will be worked, right? And next, phishing and social engineering. So most of the people know very well about the phishing attacks, right? So most of the people are facing a problem with phishing and social engineering. So with using a security, often most of the people are sharing our personal content or any organization content into the social media platforms or everything. It's psychologically they are giving mislead the information, and they are giving information into the false data sets. That is the phishing and social engineering. And advanced persistent threats. So mainly it will be prolonged with the information sets. Advanced persistent threats means it access with a network extension period. It's nothing but it's purely based upon the network transmission, right? So this is the cyber security pipeline. So how it will be work is just check it in that dark side web is nothing but a ransomware group compromising of pipelines. So first, most of the people are nowadays using a VPN, virtual private networks, right? So, but in India, the VPN network is protected. Why the VPN network is protected in India means, so most of the attackers using of VPNs. So for purpose of storing of information, they will be masking of an IP address, and they will be using of additional information sets to access the information content. So in India, VPNs are strictly protected from the May 2021. So in that IT Information Act, according to the IT Information Act 2021 is the last. Earlier VPNs are allowed in India, but in 2021 May after, the VPNs are not allowed in India. So, and then immediate impact of an information sets and ransom payments and long-term consequences. So this is based on